Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and plan. Make sure your phone supports 5G and the SIM is a Geo 5G eligible plan. Once done, update phone firmware and carrier settings so compatibility is current. Next, open settings and enable mobile data. This prepares the radio for a network switch. Make sure airplane mode is off. That sounds basic, but saves troubleshooting time. Finally, locate your network or SIM settings to begin switching network modes. You'll change that in the next step. You now change the network preference directly. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, and select SIM and Network for the Geo SIM. Tap Preferred Network Type and choose the 5G/4G/3G/2G option that prioritizes 5G. Once selected, wait a few seconds for the modem to re-register. You'll see a 5G indicator if coverage is present. If the 5G choice isn't listed, toggle cellular off and on or restart the phone to refresh carrier settings. You finish by verifying connectivity. Look for the 5G icon and run a quick speed test to confirm improved throughput. If you don't see 5G, make sure you're in a Geo 5G coverage area and that your account's 5G provisioning is active. Sometimes it requires a short activation delay. Once done, try resetting network settings or reinserting the SIM. If problems persist, contact Geo support with your device model and IMEI. They can check provisioning and network-level blocks for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.